Hey guys, Kxffie here, welcome back to the video, and today we will be making a guessing game app thing for in Python. So we can just import random I guess the input of n is equal to the input of guess a number. And yeah, I'll just do this. And yeah, I'll just enter. And then answer is equal to random.rand int of 1 through 10. And I guess if n is equal to answer, yeah, print correct. And then if n is less than answer or greater than, print too high. And if n is less than answer, print too low. And let's swap this because I don't know, it just looks better. Oh, whoops. And yeah, I guess this is it. Print too low. And I guess def guess is that. And get rid of that. Guess we'll put guess. Whoops. And guess we can just return. Oops. No, why is that not working? Oh. And yeah. I guess we'll just, whoops. Let's see if this works. Oh, whoops. The int of the input. Too low. So I guess we can just okay, so 7 was the correct one. But yeah. Okay. Okay, so I have an idea. Oh no, this is actually pretty good. Too low, guess number 7, correct. I guess we'll do F. N was the correct answer. I guess we can just do 1. Oh, correct. 1 was the correct answer. And yeah, there you go. And we can just clean it up a bit. And yeah. And that's how you make a guessing game. Oh yeah. Let me do this. Auto pi to exe. Now watch this. You can do one file, console based, browse, and then desktop. Where is it? Guessing game app. And then we can choose main.py. And then convert it to exe. And then you'll see it's it'll turn into an exe file. So I'll see you when it's finished. It is finished, and now we're going to test it. Close out that guessing game. Output main.exe. Yep. Let me zoom in a bit and guess a number. Let's go with 7. Too high. 5. Too high. 3. 3 was the right answer. And let's fix that. And then we'll do answer. No. Let me just like make this easier to read again. So it chooses the answer. And I guess what we can do is def gen answer, and then do this. And yeah. It'll just make a new answer every time if we put it in here, but generate an answer, we'll just, yeah. There we go, global the answer. And then return answer. I guess that's how we're going to do it. But after guess, we can do the input of /n, press enter to exit. Yeah. Actually here, print. Thanks for playing. Press enter to exit, or P to play again. Excuse me. A is equal to the input, and if a is equal to p, or a is equal to lowercase p, guess. We'll have to do gen answer. And we'll just do this again. And if it's not, it'll just close itself. See? One answer is not defined. Yeah. Oh wait, here we go. Class game. Then we can just do this. We don't do gas. We don't do gas. And then return no. And let's just do this real quick. Class game. And no, it wouldn't be a class, would it? I have it right. I just trying to make it easier to call. Here, let's reset everything and just think again. Because if it doesn't know what answer is, so we can easily just do this, right? And every time it'll get the answer, but how would I reset it? Actually, we just put it there. I'm pretty sure. 1 too low, 6 too high, 4. The answer was 4. 8. Okay, it exited correctly. 1 5 7 8. So 6 7. Now let's type P, guess number. Let's type 6 again. And yeah, there you go. It's done. And let's do auto exe again. do all this again. Choose main.py, one file, console based, convert, continue to overwrite, and I'll see you when it's finished. Okay, now that it's finished, let's run it again. Refresh, run it. Okay, guess a number. We can do, guess a number 1. Excuse me, the answer was 1. Let's press P. And maybe I shouldn't go so high. Or here. No, reset it. And here. Guess a number. 1, too low. 9, too high. 6. The correct answer was 6. And then we press enter to exit. Yep. And that is how you make your game. The source code will be listed in the description to a GitHub link. And yeah, thank you.